Step inside Joe Rogan $14.4 million mansion. How did he turn podcasting into a luxury empire? Today we're diving into the details of Joe Rogan's incredible Texas estate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Joe Rogan, the powerhouse behind the Joe Rogan Experience, has become a dominant figure in the podcasting world with a massive following, unparalleled influence, and a truly impressive fortune. But what sets Rogan apart isn't just his ability to captivate millions of listeners. It's his mastery of business deals, including turning his $100 million Spotify podcast deal into a $250 million empire. As of 2024, Rogan's net worth is estimated to be around $200 million, an achievement that has enabled him to build a Texas dream home worth $14.4 million. Let's take a closer look at Joe Rogan's financial journey, his stunning mansion in Lake Austin, and how he became one of the most influential figures in the world of entertainment. The Joe Rogan podcast deal began with a monumental agreement in 2020. Faced with the frustrations of California's strict COVID-19 policies and a desire for more freedom, Rogan made the bold decision to relocate to Austin, Texas, after securing a massive $100 million deal with Spotify. This deal was groundbreaking, making Rogan one of the most lucrative and influential podcast hosts in the world. But that wasn't the only business move Rogan made in 2024. He struck a follow-up deal worth $250 million, allowing him to stream his wildly popular podcasts across platforms such as YouTube and Apple Podcasts. With his new agreement in place, Rogan's financial empire only grew, cementing his estimated net worth at around $200 million. His podcast has earned him enormous income from advertising, exclusive content deals, and merchandise sales. The financial success of the Joe Rogan Experience and his other ventures has propelled him into a position of financial power where his wealth is continually expanding. This deal marks a turning point in Rogan's career as his influence now reaches far beyond just comedy or podcasts. He's become a significant player in the entertainment and digital media industry. In 2020, after signing the deal that would elevate his wealth to new heights, Rogan took another bold step, purchasing a sprawling 11,000 square feet mansion in the exclusive area of Lake Austin, Texas. This mansion, which cost him a reported $14.4 million, became more than just a new home. It symbolized a lifestyle shift that matched his soaring financial success. Rogan's decision to leave California and move to Austin, Texas wasn't just about escaping stringent policies. It was a choice to enjoy a quieter, more laid-back lifestyle while still being close to all that Texas has to offer. Austin, with its thriving tech scene, vibrant culture, and outdoor lifestyle, made for the perfect backdrop to Rogan's new chapter. The mansion is located in the coveted Lake Austin area, known for its pristine lakeside views, privacy, and luxury homes. The property boasts an impressive 300 feet of lake frontage, offering one of the best views in the area. The tranquil surroundings of Lake Austin, coupled with the home's exclusivity, perfectly aligned with Rogan's preference for privacy and his desire to live freely away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Rogan's $14.4 million Texas mansion is a true masterpiece, offering a perfect blend of luxury and functionality. Spanning 11,000 square ft, the home features 8 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, providing ample space for both family life and entertaining. The open-planned layout flows seamlessly between rooms with soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows that maximize natural light while framing breathtaking views of Lake Austin. The design combines modern architecture with rustic accents, creating a unique and harmonious space that complements the surrounding natural beauty. The kitchen is a standout feature, equipped with dual islands for ultimate functionality. It's designed for both everyday living and hosting guests, with custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, and sleek finishes that enhance its aesthetic appeal. Whether preparing a family meal or entertaining in style, the kitchen's design ensures it remains one of the most practical and stylish spaces in the mansion. As the host of one of the most popular podcasts in the world, Rogan $14.4 million mansion includes a state-of-the-art podcast studio that's essential to his daily life and career. His podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, which has earned him a reported $200 million from his Spotify deal. It's a global sensation attracting millions of listeners and guests. The studio, designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, features high-quality sound equipment and a minimalist design, creating an inviting yet professional atmosphere. It's here that Rogan conducts his long-form interviews with influential figures from all walks of life. The studio is more than just a workspace. It's the heart of his creative empire and a key element of his brand success, further solidifying his position as a podcasting giant. One of Rogan's most notable interests outside of podcasting and comedy is his passion for fitness and wellness. This passion is reflected in the mansion's impressive amenities, including a state-of-the-art gym. The gym is fully equipped with the latest equipment to allow Rogan to train at the highest level, maintaining his physical health in line with his commitment to fitness. Additionally, the mansion features a cold plunge tub and sauna, ideal for post-workout recovery. Rogan's health-conscious lifestyle is reflected in his home, which offers a sanctuary for both physical and mental well-being. The property's spa-like amenities provide him with the perfect space to relax, unwind, and recharge. The outdoor space of Rogan's estate is equally impressive. The property includes a resort-style pool that offers both beauty and relaxation, with stunning views of Lake Austin. The pool area is perfect for hosting summer parties or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars. The estate also features 3 private docks, which provide easy access to the lake for Rogan, who enjoys outdoor activities. The docks are perfect for relaxing by the water or taking out his boat. The lakeside location provides a serene environment where Rogan can enjoy the outdoors in complete privacy, away from the public eye. One of the primary reasons Rogan relocated to Austin was to escape the intense scrutiny and lack of privacy in California. The mansion's location in the Lake Austin area offers the perfect solution, providing seclusion and privacy from prying eyes. The long, winding driveway ensures that visitors are kept at a distance, making it nearly impossible for anyone to casually show up at his doorstep. The home is also designed with security in mind, with modern security systems and technology ensuring that Rogan, his family, and guests are safe at all times. The property's seclusion allows for a lifestyle free from the pressures and invasions of privacy that often come with living in Los Angeles or other major cities. Rogan's success goes far beyond just his podcasting career. With his $100 million Spotify deal, subsequent $250 million deal, and various business ventures, Rogan's financial empire continues to grow. His net worth is estimated at $200 million, with earnings from his podcasts, stand-up comedy, acting, and various business investments. Rogan's decision to invest in real estate has been a crucial part of his financial strategy. His Lake Austin mansion is just one example of his ability to use his wealth to build a luxurious, functional, and private lifestyle. His decision to move to Austin and invest in such an incredible property shows his savvy approach to both business and personal life. Beyond his real estate, Rogan has invested in several other ventures, including his interest in UFC commentary, stand-up comedy tours, and more. These investments have allowed him to diversify his income streams, making him a true business mogul in the entertainment industry. Joe Rogan's $14.4 million mansion in Austin, Texas is a testament to his incredible success, financial acumen, and dedication to living life on his terms. From the luxurious amenities to the stunning lakeside views and the state-of-the-art podcast studio, this mansion is a reflection of Rogan's hard work and the empire he has built. Whether it's the perfect home for his family, a space for creative work, or a sanctuary for relaxation, this property embodies everything that Rogan has worked for over the years. His real estate ventures, podcasting empire, and various investments have secured him a place among the most successful and influential figures in entertainment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insider looks at celebrity lifestyles and luxury homes.